I am also fine at my home. However, today I am going to discuss about your 4 language skills of English. This is Ibnul Hasan Tushar, Assistant Teacher English, Ronachandi School and College, Kishorganj, Nilphamari. When we learn a language, there are 4 skills that we need for complete communication. When we learn on native language, we usually learn to listen first, then to speak, then to read, and finally to write. These are called the 4 language skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. The 4 fundamental skills of English language learning. Okay, you cannot build a house without a strong foundation. Similarly, you don't become a well-rounded speaker of English language without building upon the 4 foundations of English language learning. To achieve these 4 basic language skills, you need to surround yourself with English. Make English part of your life at home, at home, during for free time also. You will need to achieve all 4 language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Now I am going to discuss about listening. Listening, it plays a very important part in learning any language. Effective listening ensures understanding and it helps improve accuracy when speaking, among other things. So, listen to music, watching to movies, TV shows, news, entertains, and listening to the radio also. You also attend plays, exhibitions, talks, etc. in English organized by English speaking schools or communities. This may develop your listening skills. Speaking, it is often the hardest of the 4 language skills. But as soon as you can speak a little English, there are a lot of ways to improve quickly and have tons of fun. You can join voice chats. Nowadays, technology has advanced a lot in terms of social networks. So, particularly, you will find a chat room to join. Talk and record yourself. This may sound funny, but it will help you realize how you can improve by repeating the recording several times till you feel happy with the results. You also can talk to your classmates in English when you are not in class. Reading. If you develop strong reading skills, it will be very helpful to your future. You can read books in English and articles on the web. Maybe books you have already read in your mother tongue or which have been turned into movies. Try to start with easy books, even children books and comics also. The images will help you understand even if you don't know all the words. Switch the operating system of your mobile phone, your PC or tablet into English. Associating a function with a certain word, you will improve your vocabulary. Writing. Write down words or expressions you think useful with their meaning and examples. If you see them in sentence, you will remember them better. You can use them if you keep a diary. Write comments in English blogs. At present, blogs are websites that resemble journals. Lots of people use them to expose their ideas on a certain topic or to explain things. Finally, all the above mentioned tips can be reduced to just one: practice, practice, and practice. No more today. Allah Hafiz.